Hello guys, hope so you are doing good. In this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth cutting in Moto G77. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off button icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, clear Bluetooth app data. Open setting. Now in settings, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app. Now click on three dots more option. Click on show system apps and search Bluetooth. Now click on Bluetooth, scroll down, click on storage, add cache, and if you want to clear app data, then click on clear storage. After click on clear storage, Bluetooth data will be clear from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update, open setting. Now in settings, scroll down, click on system updates, scroll down, click on check updates and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix Bluetooth cutting in Moto G77. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.